CeraVe, the white and blue jar you've seen in bathrooms, drugstores, and social media feeds. Praised by dermatologists, described as simple but effective. But what's really behind this reputation? Is it innovation, marketing, or just good, solid formulation science? Let's take a calm, honest look at what's actually inside CeraVe Moisturizing Cream.
CeraVe was launched in 2005 in collaboration with dermatologists. Its mission was clear from the start: make barrier repair skincare accessible. No luxury packaging, no perfume, no unnecessary complexity. Just the science of the stratum corneum translated into daily products.
Every formula tells a story through its ingredients. Here, it's a story of balance. Hydrating molecules to draw water in, lipids and occlusives to keep it there, emulsifiers and polymers to hold the system stable, and biomimetic actives that echo the skin's own chemistry. Let's look at how each of these parts works together.
The first group, humectants, are moisture magnets. Water, glycerin, and sodium hyaluronate. Glycerin attracts water from the deeper layers in the environment, while hyaluronic acid holds it within the upper skin layers. It's a simple duo, but one of the most reliable combinations for hydration. Then comes the lipid phase, the part that keeps hydration from escaping. Caprylic and capric triglycerides give softness and spreadability. Petrolatum, often underrated, creates a strong occlusive film. And dimethicone, a silicone, softens that heavy texture into something smoother. The goal here isn't luxury, it's endurance.
To blend oil and water together, you need structure. Cetyl and cetyryl alcohols give body and a creamy touch. Cetyryl 20 and behentrimonium methyl sulfate stabilize the emulsion. They don't sound elegant, but they keep the formula uniform and dependable. This is chemistry built for performance, not poetry.
Now we reach the heart of CeraVe's story, ceramides. These lipids make up about half of the skin's outer barrier. In this formula, 3 types are used: NP, AP, and EOP. They're identical to natural skin ceramides, and that matters. But their effect depends on how they're organized within the emulsion, not just on how many are listed on the label.
Ceramides never act alone. They need cholesterol and fatty acids to form proper lamella structures, the layered mortar that keeps our corneocytes sealed. CeraVe adds phytosphingosine, a ceramide precursor, to help reinforce that synthesis from within the skin. It's a smart, biomimetic approach, and one well-grounded in dermatological science.
CeraVe's unique point lies in something called MVE, multivesicular emulsion technology, described in U.S. patents from 2006. Imagine tiny, onion-like spheres with multiple layers. They're designed to release ingredients gradually over time. In reality, the system mostly improves product stability and hydration longevity. Good engineering, not hype, but clever formulation design.
When you apply it, you notice that dense, cushiony feel. That comes from petrolatum, balanced by lighter esters and silicones. For some, it may feel rich, even heavy, but that's intentional. It's the price of real occlusion and measurable barrier repair. Behind every stable product, there's invisible chemistry. EDTA binds trace metals that could trigger oxidation. Tocopherol, vitamin E, acts as an antioxidant shield. And the pair phenoxyethanol with ethyl hexyl glycerin keeps microbes away. Simple, proven tools, the quiet heroes of long shelf life.
CeraVe's success doesn't come from revolutionary chemistry. It comes from how simply it communicates. Words like ceramides and MVE sound scientific because they are, but they're also understandable. CeraVe made science feel safe, not intimidating. It's less about hype and more about building trust through clarity.
So, is it revolutionary? No. But is it well designed? Absolutely.
CeraVe Moisturizing Cream combines humectants, occlusives, and biomimetic lipids in a balanced, evidence-based way. It's not luxury skincare, it's functional skincare. And maybe that's why it endures. Proof that honest formulation can stand the test of time.
Follow CosmetoScope for more science behind skincare.